Hey Austin, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I called in earlier and I was told that you would be the best one to watch the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the ESR homepage. So I like the way how it's laid out. It is easy to see all the different services you provide. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I actually did a word counter search, and you guys currently have 392 words. So we would definitely want to add in some more content here. We also want to make sure that content is quality, educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on it will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is concrete staining Dallas. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those searches into customers every month, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so below the search bar, up at the top, is typically where we may see some Google ads. There are no Google ads popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly when you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can definitely waste some money on them, but if they're done right, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so beneath where the Google ads would be, now here at the top of the page, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is really great if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots in particular. And the way that you do that, in addition to having proper SEO, is by having a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages or Yext. Those are all really good examples of online directories that people trust and use a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here at the top. And so now I have scrolled down and I have made it to the organic search results. And so this should definitely be the main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results. And they're often going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so here's the first company page that pops up for this keyword. So if we take a quick look through here, we can see it looks like they have a bit more content than you have. I did a word counter search and they actually only have 870 words. So they technically don't even have the bare minimum for Google standards. So it would be very easy to beat them out content-wise. So in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So for example, if a local popular construction company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. So over here, I have hopped on to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a bit pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have around 2,250 backlinks from 287 different domains and are ranking organically for around 2,200 keywords. And so we can actually take a closer look and see which keywords those are. I want to make sure we're looking at it from America. And so right here, it will list all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them every month. And so we can go through here, see which ones have the most volume, which ones apply to your business, and have buyer's intent, and we can incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so right now it is saying that they have over 2,000 backlinks. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality as well. So right here, it will tell us the DR domain rating. We want to go through and pick the ones with a high DR domain rating, and we can snag the best ones from here. We can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then we can find some on our own. And so 2,000 backlinks is a decent amount of backlinks, but it is definitely beatable. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. And so right now you guys have 44 backlinks from 12 different domains and are ranking organically for 51 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. And so typically we want to go for keywords that are location specific and have a lot of buyer's intent, something that when you look at it, you get a feeling that whoever's typing that up is definitely looking to buy something. And so it looks like you guys are going for some decent keywords. They aren't particularly high volume, but they are decent keywords, but we can definitely get you ranked higher for those. And so to recap what we talked about is number one, we want to add in some more quality educational content with high volume buyer intent keywords. Number two, we want to get some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want high powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.